So often I was wondering how exhaust systems can affect the power of a vehicle, since the power is always generated in the engine and the exhaust systems is always behind the engine. But after watching this video, it will be obvious why exhaust systems still have an effect on the engine and therefore also have an effect on the power characteristics as well. Please don't mind me sweating, it's way too hot here and the air conditioner would be too loud for the microphone. Let's start with the use of exhaust systems in general. Exhaust systems usually have three purposes. First, they influence the performance characteristics of the engine. Second, they reduce exhaust noise. And third, they reduce pollutants in the exhaust gases with a built-in catalytic converter. Unfortunately, these tasks can't be completely separated from each other. Noise insulation, for example, affects the performance characteristics in a negative way, and the other way around. Meaning, exhaust systems optimized for performance characteristics are often too loud. But now we will only focus on the performance characteristics, since this video is about how exhaust systems affect the power. In an engine, power is generated through controlled explosions. The gasoline and air mixture enters the cylinder through the intake valve and after it burned goes out again through the exhaust valve. When the exhaust valve opens, there's still high pressure in the cylinder due to the combustion process. And high means higher than 3 bar. With the valve opening, lots of exhaust gas flows out suddenly and really fast, even though the opening passages are really small. This large volume of gas creates a high pressure energy wave that travels through the exhaust system. And the high pressure energy wave gets reflected when it meets the muffler, or it gets reflected in the muffler itself. Best case scenario is that the pressure wave reflects at the open end of the pipe and travels back through the manifold pipes as a negative pressure wave. When this all is perfectly timed, the negative pressure wave should hit the valve at the end of the exhaust valve opening. This has two desired positive aspects. First, the negative pressure draws out residual exhaust gases from the combustion chamber. And second, the negative pressure can impact the intake system and igniting it, provided there is a large enough valve overlap and the intake valve is already open. I hope you enjoyed it and you will choose your exhaust system wisely.